Bridging the gap between virtual design and physical creation has become increasingly seamless with the advent of 3D printing and computer aided design, or CAD. These technologies allow designers to transform digital models into tangible objects with remarkable precision. However, the process involves more than simply sending a file to a printer. Preparing models for successful fabrication is a crucial step, ensuring that designs are optimized for the chosen materials and printing methods. Attention to detail in this phase can prevent errors, reduce waste, and lead to higher quality results. By understanding the requirements of both the digital and physical realms, creators can unlock the full potential of 3D printing technology. Before starting a 3D print, it's crucial to perform several key design checks. First, verify the wall thickness of your model to ensure it has enough structural integrity. Thin walls may lead to fragile or incomplete prints. Next, optimize the orientation of your model on the print bed, as proper positioning can improve surface quality and reduce the likelihood of defects. Finally, plan for support structures where necessary, especially for overhangs or complex geometries. Thoughtful support placement helps prevent failed prototypes and ensures the finished product matches your design intentions. These steps lay the foundation for a successful and reliable 3D printing process.